Hi, hello, welcome to Learn Physics Easy. In this video, we are going to see Ncert Class 6 Science Subject Chapter 10. The name of the chapter is Motion and Measurements of Distances. So, in this video, I discussed some in-text questions. So, we are going to see one by one. Let us start with the first question. First question, give two examples of each mode of transport using land, water and air. As we all know that transport is classified into land transport, water transport and air transport. You can give any example of yourself. Here I gave some of the example for land transport such as bus, car, truck, etc. Water transport, boat, ship, etc. And for air transport, as we all know, airplane, helicopter, etc. So the second question in the form of fill in the blanks. In subdivision number 1, 1 meter is the value of 1 meter in terms of centimeter. As we all know that 1 meter is equal to, we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. They are asking in centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to, direct question, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So this is over. Second question, 5 kilometer is, what's the value of 5 kilometer in terms of a meter? So in this we are going to do substitute some formula. As I said earlier, a few formulas I gave. Be thorough with the formula. With that only we can substitute wherever it is necessary. So here we are going to convert kilometer into meter. As we all know, 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter? 1000 meter. Therefore, they are asked us for 5 kilometer. 5 kilometer is equal to, so 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So in the place of 1 kilometer, I am going to substitute the value as 1000. Therefore, 1000 meter into 5. Here I have written as a meter. So this is a 1000 meter into 5, not meter into meter as meter square. I have written wrong. So which is equal to 1000 meter into simply 5. Therefore, what's the value? 1 kilometer is equal to 5000 meter. The main thing is this formula. The value of 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Next, third subdivision, motion of a child on a swing is which type of motion? This child is going to play a swing. ஒரு குழந்தை வந்து ஊஞ்சல் விளையாடும் பொழுது லாஸ்ட் வீடியோல டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம், ஃப்ரண்ட் அண்ட் பேக் மூவ் ஆகும். தட் இஸ் இட் பர்ஃபார்ம்ஸ் சம் ஆசிலேட்டரி type of a motion. Whenever motion perform or in the form of oscillation or its motion is repeating for a particular interval of time, we can say that that type of a motion is a periodic motion. Therefore, motion of a child on a swing is an example of which type of motion? Periodic motion. Next, we will move on to the fourth subdivision. Motion of the needle of a sewing machine is which type of motion? This is also once again a theoretical question. Sewing machine, that is தையல் machine. வீட்டில் இருக்கிற தையல் மிஷின்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய needle என்ன type of motion perform பண்ணுது? So, if you observe that it will move in an upward direction, sorry, downward and upward and downward. Continuously it takes place. So, the motion is repeating here, repeated type of motion is going on here. Therefore, needle of a sewing machine performs which type of motion? That is a periodic motion. The next fifth subdivision is motion of wheel of a bicycle is which type of motion? So as we all know that if a person is traveling in a bicycle, also that particular road is a linear road, that handbar, the cycle handbar will give you the linear motion, and with the help of the pedal, we are pressing the pedal in an upward direction as well as downward direction. Due to that pressing, what happened? The wheel in the bicycle begins to move, and it possesses which type of a path? A circular path. So it possesses which type of motion? Circular motion. So in a bicycle, the handbar of the bicycle possesses a linear motion, whereas the wheel of the bicycle possesses circular motion. They are asking only the wheel, therefore the answer is that is circular motion. So next we will move on to the third question. Why can a pace or a footstep not be used as a standard unit of length? See, last video we discussed for every individual the footstep as well as handspan value may differ. It is not same for all person. ஒரு மனுஷங்களுக்கும் பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா அந்த கையினோட அளவும் கால் பாதத்தினோட அளவும் என்ன ஆகும்? வேறுபடும். எல்லாருக்கும் கான்ஸ்டண்டா ஒரே வேல்யூவா இருக்கும்னு சொல்ல முடியாது. எல்லாருக்கும் டெஃபினட்டா அதாவது ஸ்லைட் சேஞ்சஸ் இருக்கும். ஸோ ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் யூனிட் மீன்ஸ் இட் ஷுட் பி சாட்டிஸ்ஃபைடு ஃபார் ஆல் பர்சன் அட் ஆல் பிளேஸ் அட் ஆல் கண்ட்ரீஸ், எல்லா கண்டிஷன்ஸையும் சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை பண்ணி வரதை தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் யூனிட்னு சொல்ல முடியும். தட்ஸ் வை a pace or a footstep cannot be used as a standard unit of length because it varies from one person to that of the another person. That's all about the third question. Next we'll move on to the fourth question. Arrange the following length in their increasing magnitude. They have given a series of values, that is unit here, 1 meter, 1 centimeter, 1 kilometer, 1 millimeter. So they are asking to arrange these unit in increasing magnitude. Increasing magnitude means nothing but ascending order. சின்னதிலிருந்து பெருசாக நம்ம எழுதணும். Descending, decreasing magnitude means descending order. பெருசிலிருந்து சின்னது வரைக்கும் நம்ம எழுதணும். So here they are asking in increasing magnitude. Increasing magnitude means ascending order. So this given series of unit we want to write in a ascending order. So இதில் இருக்கிற valuesனு பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா the lowest unit is millimeter and then centimeter, next meter, at last kilometer. And the constant value remains the same. Number remains the same in all cases. அவங்க கொடுத்திருக்கிறதுல number magnitude value வந்து சேமா இருக்குது. Units தான் டிஃபரா இருக்குது. So unitsனா நம்ம வந்து ascending orderல or increasing magnitudeல எழுதணும் அப்படின்னா first 1 millimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 meter and then 1 kilometer. So that's all about the fourth question. Next we'll move on to the fifth question. The height of a person is 1.65 meter. Express it into centimeter and millimeter. They have given a value in meter and ask us to find in centimeter and that of millimeter. So which calculation we want to do first? So we are having a formula connecting meter and centimeter. மீட்டருக்கும் சென்டிமீட்டருக்கும் இருக்கிற ஃபார்முலா நமக்கு தெரியும். With this formula we can easily find a relation between centimeter and meter. So first step to connect a relation between meter and centimeter, convert the unit 1.65 meter into that of centimeter. After then, from this value, you can calculate from centimeter to millimeter. So first step, I am going to convert from meter into centimeter. So given that height of the person is 1.65 meter. Next, a relation connecting meter and centimeter, we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 1.65 meter is equal to this value 1.65 into value of 1 meter in terms of centimeter. நமக்கு எதில கண்டுபிடிக்கணுமோ அந்த value 1 மீட்டருக்கு நமக்கு தெரியும் 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. அப்ப 1.65 மீட்டருக்கு எப்படி பண்ணுவோம்? 1.65 into the value of 1 meter is 100 centimeter, which is equal to 165 centimeter. So by keeping this as input, இப்போ அடுத்த conversionக்கு 165 centimeter input வச்சுட்டு we are going to convert into millimeter. எப்படி பண்ணலாம்? 1 centimeter. What is the formula connecting 1 centimeter and millimeter? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Therefore, 165 centimeter is equal to 165 into the value of 1 centimeter. So, what is the value of 1 centimeter? 10 millimeter. So, which is equal to 1650 millimeter. So, that's all about the conversion from meter to centimeter as well as millimeter. Next, we will move on to the sixth question. The question is, distance between Radha's home and her school is 3250 meter. Express this distance into kilometer. So, மீட்டர்ல நமக்கு values கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, கிலோமீட்டர்ல கன்வர்ட் பண்ண சொல்றாங்க. So, whenever we want to find what is the formula connecting the given unit and the unit they are asking. என்ன யூனிட் கொடுத்துருக்குறாங்களோ அப்புறம் என்ன யூனிட் கேட்குறாங்களோ ரெண்டுத்துக்குமான யூனிட்ஸ்க்கான ரிலேஷன் என்னங்கிறத முதல்ல பார்க்கணும். We know that the formula connecting meter and kilometer is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. But here meter is given, we want to find in kilometer. So the sub formula, we want to use the sub formula. என்ன அது sub formula அப்படின்னா நமக்கு கிட்ட இருக்கிற ஃபார்முலா என்ன? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So இதிலிருந்து 1 meter is equal to 1 divided by 1000 meter னு கண்டுபிடிச்சிக்கலாமா? Therefore 3250 meter is equal to 3250. அப்படியே அந்த நம்பர் அப்படியே எழுதிக்கோங்க, 3250. அப்புறம் என்ன இருக்கும்? into மீட்டர்னு இருக்கும். into that is 1 meterனு இருக்கும். 1 meter is equal to என்ன ஃபார்முலா நமக்கு தெரியும்? 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 meter. ஓகேவா? So 1 by 1000 kilometer. I have missed the K here. So 1 by 1000 kilometer. So 3250 into 1 by 1000 kilometer. So normally என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? We cancel this 0 and this 0. அப்போ என்ன கிடைக்கும்? 325 divided by, we'll have 100. So 325 divided by 100 is equal to, இந்த ரெண்டு 0க்கு பதில் என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம்? 3.25 kilometer. Therefore 3250 meter is equal to 3.25 kilometer. That's all about the sixth problem. Now we move on to question number 7. While measuring the length of a knitting needle, the reading of the scale at one end is 3.0 centimeter and at the other end is 33.1 centimeter. What is the length of the needle? So என்ன சொல்லிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா, AB, let us consider knitting needle as AB. They are starting from 3 centimeter. They are taking the reading from 3 centimeter, not from 0. 0 markல இருந்து எடுக்காம 3 centimeterல இருந்து எடுத்திருக்காங்க. And the other end of B length is 33.1 centimeter. Then what is the actual length of the needle? So last video நம்ம discuss பண்ணோம், the length always should measure from 0 mark of the scale. Suppose if then 0 mark was broken, you may move on to the whole value, say 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter or 3 centimeter. So இங்க அவங்க 3 centimeterல இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க, எங்க முடிஞ்சிருக்கு அப்படின்னா 33.1 centimeter. So how to take the actual reading or correct measurement? The final value minus the initial value. The final value is 33.1 centimeter. The initial value was 3.0 centimeter, that is 3 centimeter. Therefore, final value minus initial value, which is equal to 30.1 centimeter. Therefore, the length of the needle is 30.1 centimeter. So, that's all about problems based in this in-text questions. The other questions and all based on simply theoretical questions. ஸோ என்னோட லாஸ்ட் வீடியோவையும் பாருங்க. இந்த வீடியோவில் உள்ள இன்டெக்ஸ்ட் கொஷினையும் சால்வ் பண்ணுங்க. என்னோட ப்ரீவியஸ் வீடியோ பார்த்துட்டு இது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு கிளியரான ஐடியா கிடைக்கும். In the next video, I'll give a worksheet based on this lesson. It may contain nearly 10 to 15 questions, both theoretical as well as a problem. So next video la worksheet solve pannalam, and also I explain each and every question answer. So keep watching this channel. You can learn physics easy. Thank you.